Hi, I'm Dr. Art Hister, and this is your Medical Pipeline. And today I want to talk about childhood obesity, and this is particularly important for parents. I think nobody really understands the problem of childhood obesity unless they read the literature and realize how bad it's getting. The experts claim that if this generation doesn't change what it's doing, it's going to be the first generation in history that doesn't live as long as its parents. Why? Because they're all getting so fat that they're going to develop all these consequences of obesity at much younger ages, particularly diabetes, heart disease, and strokes. We're looking at a generation that's going to be at high risk for getting diabetes, heart disease, and strokes when they're in their 30s and 40s. And the thing is, all of that's preventable. It's all preventable by following appropriate lifestyle changes. Our kids are just not doing as much exercise as they should be doing for the simple reason that, they're too busy, or they're not allowed to play nearly as much as they should be allowed to play, and they're not eating healthy diets as well, and they're getting fatter and fatter as a consequence, and we have to change that. How do you go about doing that? Well, that's not easy. I'm a parent myself. Obviously, you can't really just get kids to do something just because you tell them to. The best way of getting your kids to live a healthy lifestyle is to live the healthy lifestyle yourself. Study after study shows that kids model their behavior according to what they see at home. If you smoke, it's much more likely that your kids will smoke. If you abuse alcohol, it's much more likely that your kids will abuse alcohol. On the other side of that ledger, if you do regular exercise, if you feel proud about how you look and how fit you are, your kids are going to see that, and they're probably going to adopt that as the way they want to live as well. And equally important is if you eat a healthy diet, then by necessity, your kids are going to eat a healthy diet. They live with you. They're going to eat what you eat. And there's several studies that now show that the habits they develop as teenagers will carry over to the time they're young adults and into their adult years. So if they start eating healthy when they're teenagers, they're much more likely to eat healthy as they become young adults as well. The best advice I could give any parent out there is to live a healthy lifestyle yourself. It's the best legacy you're ever going to leave your kids.